Hello folks, so today we have some Spy Snow Goggles here. I'm just going to be showing you how to change the lenses on this particular model. So all you do is you grab your goggles, as you can see, and on your right side you'll see a latch. You push that up and you'll see the exact same on your left side. Push that up. And then you'll see this little insert on your right side. It's also the same on the left, but I'm going to show you right. And you can essentially just take that lens off as such. And you can grab your new lens, as I have here, and pop that lens in. A magnet will clip it in. You might just have to push down on it just to make sure all those little edges are clipped in, and if they are, then you are good to push those latches down. So that's your left side, and then we would have the right, and that is how you essentially change the lenses on this particular pair of Spy Snow Goggles.